Hey guys, it's cat&thekweejack. Oh, wanna make mac and cheese. Oh, too big for me. And now, can somebody tell me how to use a toaster? The toaster's broken. The lever was too heavy for me to push down, so I knocked a can of baked beans down on it, but it broke it instead of making it go. Oh, boo-hoo! What a morning! Hey, MPP, did you drink all the orange juice? How could I drink orange juice? The refrigerator's too big!
Yeah, the oven doesn't work either.
This isn't your kitchen! Oh, he's in a closet?
What is all this yelling?
Everything is so giant, I can't get juice or toast. The toaster's broken because I can't get it to work. Everything is so big.
I know, I understand. You've been struggling. But right now I want you to leave the room. Now, go.
What?
Huh? I want you to leave just for 10 minutes, okay? Go on. Go on, Squishies. Let me open the door. Go on now. I'm knocking the door. Quico, guess what? I've been planning a surprise for the Squishies like for a week, and I got it here under my shirt. So let me get it out of there, and then we'll unbox it, okay? Okay, let me pull it out. Look, let's go unbox it. Let's go. I got the Calico Critters Kozy Kitchen set. It includes 55 pieces and it's for children 3 and up, and I'm 5, so it is perfect for the squishies. Okay, let's cut it open. Ta-da! I love this red setup. Now it's oh, there we go. I think I got it. Whoa, okay, I see gray. Okay. Everything is really tightly packaged. Let's get them all open. Woo! Ooh, there's a long piece of tape. Whoa. Whoop! Boom. Oh, look at the little details. Look at the little details on the thing. Oh, look how cute it is. Look at the oven. That is just a sweet looking oven. Oh. Okay, let me get it all out and set it all up. First the rug. The drawers and the doors open. Ooh. These doors and drawers open too, and it pulls out for a little extra counter space. Those fit nicely. We got room for more. It's a hard one. That is a very nicely detailed oven. You get 2 little pans for the oven too. And you get not 1, but 4 pieces of toast. A nice little knife and a little stirry stick. I got one thing to say, and it's cookies. Raining cookies! Woo! And a whisk. Something smells good, and I think it's cookies. Rolling pin. Oh, look at that. Ah! There's a basket, a cutting board, and a rolling pin. We got some nice little food stuff here. We got the mushrooms, tomatoes, lettuce, lemon, carrot, and cucumbers. We got 2 placemats, a toaster. You can push the toast down and it'll pop back up. It's pretty awesome. We got a little mixing bowl and a kitchen weight. The little knobby there turns and this goes up and down. It's pretty awesome. Oh, look at this awesome sandwich. We got a package of food here, and then we got the sticker to put on the food. See, there's butter, cheese, milk, and ice cream. We got a little apron and a big apron, and then a little oven mitt that is so cute. And you see it's got a little tassel so you can hang it on one of the drawers. The very last thing we got is the crisper drawer for the fridge. As you can see, we got it all set up now. Now I'm gonna bring in the squishies and show them. Come with like 4 pieces of toast. Artie, what are you doing here? I was trying to use your oven and the toast is broken. No, remember I told you last week you gotta plug it in. It's not plugged in. Why didn't you say that before? I'm gonna go cook my lasagna. What do you guys think? Oh! Finally, I was so parched. You wouldn't even believe it. Drink your soda, Queen Joe. How are you, Grape? The toaster works perfectly. I no longer have limp, flappy bread. I've got to hand it to you, Flapjack. You did it upright. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Well, thanks, a mashed potatoes and butter. You're welcome. Mission accomplished. If you guys would like to check out this set, I'll link it down in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, Quickro. Goodbye. Bye, 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 kitchen, bye, 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 squish, kitchen, bye, 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 bye. Goodbye. I'll see you next week, Saturday, 3 p.m. Be there or be a square. Oh, tastes good. I think this apron looks wonderful on me. You better agree, Squish Quay. I agree, you look beautiful. Where are you? In the oven. Whatever. No, Queen Jill. I look really wonderful on the apron.